Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I am reviewing taparia soft hair hammer 30 mm. These are used in softening metal, not softening, flattening metal, and these are used on mostly used on wooden surfaces and used to use on delicate objects which are prone to break. And another thing is this will have an impact without damaging the product. That is the main advantage. That means if we have to put a metal into slot, this will do it without damaging the wood. Like that, these are very useful. There are so many advantage, but the video will go very lengthy. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.